Hello everybody, I'm Master Chief Guy, and today I'm not going to be playing a game. I'm going to play, I'm going to show you guys how to change your ringtone on your phone to like any audio file you want. It doesn't have to be a song, it could just be like a sound effect and it also works with text tones. So, okay, let's get started. So you go to your internet, and I want to have my text tone as this. So you could record that with like a screen recorder, or you could record it with. I wouldn't want to record it out of my speaker with my phone because that sound terrible. But what I do is you go to YouTube to MP3 converter, and then you put in the link. You put in this link, and then press convert to MP3, and then press download, and then it'll say bing bong whatever, but it'll download it, and then you can just close everything. So now, if you open this, so let's say I only want the first 4 seconds. I don't want the whole minute of poopy talk. So what you can do is get this app called Audacity. And then what you do is you find the file in your downloads. So it's right here, .mp3. And then you can drag and drop it in. So now that you have it dragged and dropped in, you can click and hold over to exactly where you want it. So right there. And you can press this button up here to zoom in. And then let's full screen this. And then you can actually see so now let me zoom out a little bit. So that's the part you want to have. So then what you do is you select everything else. This is gonna take a minute. Everything else, all the poopy talk, and then just press the delete key, not the backspace key, the delete key. Now you can have your ringtone any length you want, but I suggest for like an actual like phone ringtone to have it over 15 seconds, but for text tone under like 5 seconds. So this is 4 seconds. This is text tone. I'm making it text tone. Okay, so now what you do is you make sure you have exactly what you want, and then you press file, and then file, and then export audio, and then just save it as So now it should have exported. You might see it pop up on your desktop. And now once it pops up on your desktop, just close this. You don't need to save your little stinky message. So then you take this. We have to convert it in iTunes. So open up iTunes and just drag. So go to this songs tab and just drag and drop it into here. So now you can see it right here. So right click it and then press song info, and then it'll pop up with this, and press options, and then select both of these start and stop things, and then press OK. And now with this still selected, you want to go to file and then convert, and then go to create AAC version. And then I'll do that little text tone thing that like got me so many times. So then what you do is you drag and drop that onto your desktop, the new one, and then delete it off of that. Just move to recycle bin. And then what you do is you take a lightning cable and you plug it into your computer, USB, and then plug it into your phone. And then once you see, my cable's kind of broken, so this might take a second. Once you see your phone charge, that means it's connected. It'll also pop up with a little symbol right here. And right there, it says it's not recognized because my freaking charger's broken. So now do download and update. Now you'll see this little tab. Go to the little tab and then go down to tones on the on my device area. And once you're on tones, you gotta make sure you rename this to M4R. And it'll say, are you sure you want to change it? It might break or whatever. Just say yes, because that's the kind of file that this needs. And then drag and drop it in here. And if dragging and dropping doesn't work, you can just press copy or Control C and then paste into here. And if that doesn't work, then I don't know, like restart the app or something. Now once you're done with that, it should pop up on your phone. So what? Okay, my phone just disconnected. Okay, now this is a very important step. So if you click on this, like slowly double click, you'll see that there's just, you'll probably have just the name, and it won't say like .mp4 at the end or anything. If it does have .mp4 or M4A, I think is what it is, then you're fine. If it doesn't look like this, then what you gotta do is go to Control Panel and then go to Appearance and Personalization and then go to File Explorer Options, and then over here you click this little View tab, and then you'll see these three. If you're scrolled all the way up on this little area right here, you'll see these three check mark boxes thing, and then you gotta uncheck the middle one, and basically what that does, it changes it so you can see what file type it is in the title right there, WAV. So now you can actually see what it is. Now you gotta make sure you rename this to M4R, and it'll say, are you sure you want to change it? It might break or whatever. Just say yes, because that's the kind of file that this needs, and then drag and drop it in here. And if dragging and dropping doesn't work, you can just press copy or Control C and then paste into here. Now once you're done with that, it should pop up on your phone. So go to your phone. Let me start recording on my phone. Okay, once you're on your phone, you can go to Settings, and then here, and then go to press Sounds and Haptics, and then go to Ringtone, and then you can set it as your ringtone, or you can go to Text Tone and scroll down a little bit to ringtones and just set it as your text tone as a ringtone.
Uh-oh. Stinky.
Perfect. So now you have your stinky text tone, and that's it. Thank you for watching, everybody. If this helped you, just like and subscribe. Tell anyone that wants to change their text tone or ringtone to whatever they want, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.